Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to talk to you guys in this video about the importance of building relationships in your business and also the importance of the words people join people. People will like your offer and everything, but if they don't trust you and they don't build a relationship with you, they may not sign up. So what I want to talk to you about is it's more than just flashing your link on Facebook and or in social media and getting people to click on your link. It does require some follow-ups from you, whether it's emailing your prospects or doing a video like this online. I'm telling you guys, YouTube is a powerful medium to market your business because people are actually seeing you and they can relate to you more if they actually see you as opposed of using just a link. That's why in some of my ads, my pictures that I use on Facebook, I'll usually put my picture in it so they see the same picture, because I use the same picture in all my social media. I use it on Twitter, I use it on Instagram, I use it on Facebook. I use the same picture in every place because I want people to know that it's the same person each time when they come through. Even on my landing page, I have a picture of myself, but I mean, you don't have to have it on your landing page. I just did, but anyways, and I even have it inside the sales funnel. When you come in and you watch our video presentation and all that stuff and get set up and everything, you scroll down and you'll see a picture of myself. You'll say Matthew Letendre, your sponsor, and underneath there will be a button for you to connect with me on Facebook, because the key is I want you guys to connect with me. Again, I'm showing you we're building a relationship where I want to connect with you so I can steer you in the right direction. And that's why I do these videos, and that's why I have that button inside my sales funnel. So usually what I'll say is send me a friend request and send me a quick hello, say hi to me, whatever it is. I want to connect with you guys. And then I can also welcome you personally into our Facebook group after you send me a friend request. I mean, there's a link inside the sales funnel where you can go directly to our team Facebook group, but I also want to go that extra mile and let everyone know that you have joined, so they know you're there and they can help you and support you as well as myself. So, and another reason why I want to get you in there is because I want you to see other people succeeding in this business as well. We post all of our achievements and what we've done, how much we made today. If we got $100 diamond commission today, we put it up there, all that kind of stuff. And that's how you connect with people. And there's another thing too, is I also want to welcome you into our Power Lead System Facebook group too. That's the official group of the company. So the key is to build a relationship with people. And doing these videos right now, it may seem very simplistic. They don't have to be fancy. It's just me. I'm heading to a friend's house right now, so I was going to go to work, but I do on the side. I do package deliveries for Amazon. So I got to the facility and they said they had no packages. So that was an easy $72 that I just made just doing that. So I'm now going to go visit a friend of mine. And so that's why I'm doing this video. I figured, why not? I have some time to do the video here and send out a message to you guys too. So your videos don't have to be perfect. Just be honest. Present your message and upload it. That's the best way to go at it. Because if you keep trying to perfect everything, you may start getting frustrated and everything. That's not to say in certain videos I don't start over, but in most videos like this, I pretty much think about a subject and I talk about it. And so that's how I do my videos, and that's another way of connecting with people. So I also might have made some mistakes in this video that you may or may not have noticed, I may have noticed, but that's how you get better. And the more you do it, the better you get at it. Just now I just said I don't say it as much anymore. I'm getting better at just talking without saying stuff like that. But if you do in the beginning, that's okay. The key is to get people to relate to you and to just tell them your story. Just tell them your story. And like I did a simple thing right now of just telling you my day. I got into work, they had packages, made an easy $72, and that's it. You don't have to, it doesn't have to be fancy. So that's all I'm going to say for you guys today. I hope you will join me. If you didn't, a lot of the stuff I say in this video is universal. Excuse the bumpiness. I'm on a bumpy road right now. So there we go. Now we're back on a smooth road. So anyways, what was I saying? Well, anyways, I hope that you'll join me, and if you don't, a lot of the stuff I say in my videos is universal. It can go for anything that you're promoting or going after in life, because the way to achieve something is to work at it, to educate yourself and gain the skills that you need to achieve that goal, and to believe and to know that you're not going to quit until you succeed. So that's it, guys. I hope you have a great weekend. It is, as of this video, it is a Saturday morning, and wherever it is you are, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.